Options, forwards and futures. A call option is gives an option holder right to purchase underlying asset by a certain price. Purchase a certain asset by a certain specified date at the exercise price. The put option gives the option holder right to sell the underlying asset by a selected date at the exercise price. American options will be worth more than European option when the right to early exercise is valuable, and they will have equal value when it is not. So options have there are two types of options mainly: call option, put option. Call option has gives a whoever purchases call option will have a right to buy an asset at a particular date at a particular price, which is known as the exercise price. For put option, we have a right to sell at a particular price at a particular date when you purchase a put option. Two types of options: American and European. American option can be exercised before the date specified date, and European option can only be exercised at the specified date. American options for that matter is more costly. And here this is forwards. A forward contract is a contract that specifies the price and the quantity of an asset to be delivered sometime in the future. So it can be on commodities, currency, interest rates, etc. So what happens is we contract, we bet on the prices. If it falls, if it goes up, will be means gaining or losing, as per means there are sell forward contracts and buy forward contracts. Based on the contract, will be losing or gaining. So it's basically a bet. And forward contracts are often used in a foreign exchange situation, as these contracts can be used to hedge foreign currency risk. This happens because if we have a foreign currency remittance due on a particular day, they will be contracting with another party, maybe a bank or AD category 1 bank. We will be contracting with them to give us that buy forward contract on that particular day, so that on a particular currency, so that the risk of fluctuation we don't suffer. We'll be telling him, give us this $1,000 on 23rd March at the rate of 72. Let the rate be 74 or 75, we'll be losing 2-3, means gaining 2-3 rupees. But if it is 68, we'll be losing also, but that we don't care. Hedging is only for eliminating the risk, not for eliminating the losses. So future contract is more formalized, legally binding agreement. This is just forwards, which is legally binding and exchange traded.